Ever heard of rights-lang property and wondered what it means? Let us break down the difference between a titled property and one with rights only in the Philippines. A titled property means you have a transfer certificate of title, or TCT. This is your proof of absolute ownership, registered with the government. You can sell it, mortgage it at a bank, and your ownership is protected by law. It's the gold standard. Now, a rights-only property is different. This usually means the seller only has a tax declaration or a deed of sale with rights. You have possession, but not full legal ownership. You can't easily get a bank loan for it, and securing building permits can be a nightmare. So what's the risk? Someone else could be the real titled owner, and you could lose the property. You're basically buying the asterisk, right to possess asterisk, not the land itself. The bottom line is, always aim for a titled property. If you're considering a rights-only deal, be extremely careful and consult a lawyer or a licensed broker first. Protect your hard-earned money. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips.